Good morning to you all. I hope you stay at home and stay safe. What we have studied in yesterday, we have already studied about the power, what is electric power, and today we will describe power voltage rating of electrical appliances. Power voltage rating of electrical appliances. You all will have seen that on bulbs it is written as 14 watt, 100 watt, 200 watt, etc. What does it show? It shows that 100 watts of the bulb means that it will consume electrical energy at the rate of 100 joules per second. Several times we see that on electric bulb it is written 100 watt. What does it mean? It means that this bulb will consume electric energy at the rate of 100 joule per second. 100 joules per second. That is, as 1 watt is equal to 1 joule oblique 1 second. So that 100 watt is equal to 100 joules per second. And now what you will have seen that how many appliances as a tube light. For example, you will have seen on tube light different amperage capacities tube lights are available in the market. Some, suppose this is the 40 watt. 40 watt. अब वोल्टेज क्या है? व्हाट इज वोल्टेज है 220 वोल्ट. Then ampere consumes I is equal to 2.18 ampere. So several appliances will consume several amount of power. For example, I am taking this question from NCERT book. An electric bulb is rated 220 watt, 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be what? Question raised. Write down first. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be first of all, from this question, once repeat this question. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be. First of all, from this data, solution is taken as. Data is concerned, power is 100 watt. Voltage is given 220 volt. Then what will be the resistance? Now we have already studied about this question. Power is equal to V square oblique R. V square oblique R, that is P is equal to 100 watt. V is equal to 220 square by R, so that 100 R is equal to 220 into 220. What will be the R value? $484. Resistance is 484. Now from question it is written, when voltage comes at 110. It means this bulb is operated on 110 volt. Then what will be the power? Power is equal to V square oblique R. This one is equal to 110 का whole square oblique R. This one 484, and it will be written as 110 into 110 oblique 484. 11 4 जा 44 and 11 4 जा 44. Once again 11 10 जा 10, 11 4 जा 44, 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 10 and 2 2 5 जा 10. This one is equal to 25 watt. What will be the answer? Answer will be power is equal to 25 volt in watt. As I think you all will have understood it very well. Now once again another question which is also very important from NCERT book also it is, which of the following does not represent electric power in a circuit? It is written very simple answer, IR square. I square R, this is P is equal to, all these are formula of power, but one is not given. May I omit this one? Okay. Now how we will find the energy, how much electrical energy, how we will find out the value of consumption, commercial unit of electrical energy. So first of all we have to study about what is electric power. As we have studied that the electric power is concerned, electric power is equal to electric energy by time. That is P is equal to W by T or E by T, or E is equal to P into T. Is it clear? That is electric energy is equal to power into time, that is electric power into time. Suppose if we find out 1 kilowatt hour, 1 kilowatt hour watt. that is the electrical energy is equal to power into time. Power into time, that is 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. Am I right? And 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So that electric energy 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt into 3600 seconds joule. That is, you can say, how it will be written? It will be written as 36 into 1000 into 100 joule. That is 36 into 10 to the power 5 joules. That is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to, this means that when an appliance rated 1000 watt, you can say, and consumes electric works in any circuit for 1 hour, then it will be 1 unit. This is the commercial unit. This is the commercial unit of electrical energy. Thus 1 kilowatt hour is the amount of electric energy consumed by an appliance rated 1 kilowatt hour for 1 kilowatt for 1 hour. This is known as the commercial unit of electrical energy. For the better understanding, we have to take an example. Set of 60 watts runs for 50 hours. How much electric energy is consumed? First of all, what we have to do? Here P is given 60 watt. Then we will have to change it in unit, standard unit, that is 60 by 1000 kilowatt. This one is equal to 6 kilowatt. And now T for time, this one 50 hours. How much hours? 50 hours. Then electric energy is equal to P into T. P4 is equal to 0.06 into 50 joules. One joule, that is, you can also written as 3 kilowatt hour. वन किलोवाट आवर कमर्शियल यूनिट में एनर्जी कंज्यूम्स कितना होता है? 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Therefore 3 kilowatt hour will be 3 into 3.6 10 to the power 6. And I hope you all will have understood it very well. Now you may raise questions more and more, so that I will understand that where you could not understand either my language, either my tone, or any description which has been given on blackboard, then I will try my best to give you adequate answers of this concerning topic. So I request you once again, stay home, stay safe, and do more and more questions regarding this. Thank you and have a nice day.